Hi there, my name is Michael Lee of the Editor Group, and today I'm going to talk about some of the work that we've been doing around consolidating the top navigation and steps to take it from design to development. So, for those who are unaware, what we're considering to simplify the navigation for users to help discovery plus also findability of menu items at the top navigation is to consolidate projects, groups, and more into one menu here. Some of the things that have been holding back from development were some answers that needed to be done around what should the menu label be, how might we handle actions in flyout menus such as create a new project or things like that, and what would this look like for a mobile device. So what I decided to go with, initially we just had the word menu, or we used to change this logo, this icon to match the project, but we're going to keep this 9 dot, or introduce this 9 dot icon to represent a high level menu drop down. Upon clicking on that, then we'll get the flyout menu. So the flyout menu will contain the high level objects such as projects, groups, milestones, snippets, and activity, environments, operations, security, analytics. And if you have permissions for it, then admin will appear here. On the right hand side, we'll have the search that currently exists right now. We'll look to introduce recently visited projects instead of frequently visited projects, and that'll be in a drop down here. The actions that exist at the moment are your projects and start projects. There's another action that exists currently, explore projects, but since they all send you to the same page, this is something that we can look into consolidating or cleaning up, or pick one based on the highest metrics. And then these are some of the actions that the import team are considering of adding into the flyout menu. Whether it's 3 or 4, that's to be determined, but the menu should be flexible to handle any of those amounts. Here, the icons are still using the current 2-pixel icons and have not adopted the new or the Explorer, the 1.5 pixel icons, which is still in exploration state. So this is the flyout menu, and one of the considerations around calling that top level menu projects or groups or whatever area you're in is through our mobile explorations. If you look at these two mobile views, if you were not familiar with GitLab, you would have no clue with which ones are group instance and which ones are project level view. So for the record, this one is the group on the left hand side here, and this one over here is the project level view. So one of the ideas here is to then put some labeling to say, yeah, you're currently looking at that high level. So in practice, something that you could see in execution is if you're currently looking at milestones and you click through to a milestone, it actually takes you to groups, and by having these kind of labels at the top can help familiarize or act as signposts for navigation, so that people aren't confused that, hey, I went from milestones to somewhere else, but I'm not really sure where somewhere else is. That's there at the top there. Applying that to the mobile view, you'll have this label up here, projects. At the moment, we have a version of the logo when you're using Next that takes up an extra badge space. And yeah, this is how we could surface the issues and to-dos, issue merge requests and to-dos, sorry. And we'll have a full page menu, and on this menu you can click on search, which will open up search as it does now. Navigating the flyout menu has this parent-child relationship where you click on projects and that will take you to the project page. So if I show you that, here we're projects to projects, clicking back will take you back to here. Clicking on the user, click on that, will take you to a user menu, which will have view profile and ability to sign out and all the links that exist under there right now. The other thing that could be considered is to always have the issues, merge requests, and to-dos visible. So to do this, we'll probably have to do something with the logos so that it only takes up a fixed amount of space and not so much horizontal space, so that we can stick the label, the icons up here with the notification. So clicking on these will take you to the respective areas within GitLab on mobile. Thank you.